faded silently into the fog from where I first came. Long before I knew you, of your legend or your name. The hardest thing I've ever done, or that I'll ever do, not because of fear of pain, but because it was best for you. Sure, I miss our conversations. Of course, I miss your point of view. Well, there was little hesitation. Of course, I breathed a sigh or two, but it was best for you. You said you needed time to reflect in your mind about the past and the new. And since time is all I have, I've given it to you. I've never spoken happy words, at least as far as you're concerned. I've never wished these tables turned. I stand behind my promises, my thoughts, my deeds, and my desire to give you everything you need. Whatever you wish, I'll do my best to make your wish come true. What you see in all your dreams, I'll do my best to make those dreams come true.